Hi guys, welcome to OK Review once again, and today I'm going to talk about a very good thing, and that is Elementor cloud websites. Earlier what we used to have Elementor for our website builder plugin, and we have created a lot of website using Elementor and Elementor Pro. So right now if you see, my main website is also built on Elementor and Elementor Pro. So this was the main thing, but right now Elementor has launched a new feature, and that they are calling Elementor Cloud Website. I will talk about what will you get inside that. First of all, you will get a website builder powered by Elementor Pro. So you do not have to buy Elementor Pro separately. Along with that, you will also get cloud hosting powered by Google Cloud Platform, in which you will get free CDN plus free SSL, and very important thing, automated daily backups. You do not have to worry about your data loss or anything you did wrong. And plus, of course, you will get WordPress to create a website. So content management system here is WordPress. So we'll talk about how to utilize this Elementor cloud system to create a website, to host a website on a custom domain, and this will give you freedom to host your website without worrying about the traffic spikes, without worrying about the backups, without worrying about the SSL certificates. So now I am going to showcase you how we can buy this and how we can utilize this Elementor cloud website functionality for our next project. And one thing, the price is very good, so you must grab it, you must go for it. So let's start it. I'm clicking on buy now. I have given the link of this in the description. If you want to buy, you can just go and buy from there. Just fill all the required details. Okay, so you can see that the order is in processing, and within minutes you will see your dashboard. So right now we have just purchased Elementor cloud website 1-year plan, paying $99 to them. Okay, and for cloud websites, that is really a good cost to go with, because you do not have to worry about backups, SSL, Cloudflare, traffic spikes. Even you are getting Elementor Pro for free. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on go to my account, and then I will click on create a new cloud website. So now on this screen it is asking about how do you want to create your site. So in that case you are having two options. One is either you should use the existing subscription, or you can buy a new one. So right now I'm going to use the existing one. So I'm clicking on use this subscription which I just bought it. I'm naming my site, let's say OK Rabi Demo. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Then right now you can see that I'm getting https okravidemo.elementor.cloud. So it is a temporary domain. Once your website is developed, you can swap this domain with your main domain or the domain which you have bought. So you should not worry about custom domain. Okay, you can choose it later. You can see that this is the default address, but you can purchase and add a custom domain later. And if you have already bought it, we can use it. Okay, so I'm just clicking on next. So they're asking like what type of website you are creating. So I'm like choosing as a business corporate website, or let's say online store. Okay, and I'm clicking on next. You can also skip it. Then you can see that we are having a lot of kit to start, and all those are like Elementor Pro kits. So what I can do, I can just search for, let's say anything like e-commerce. Okay, and then advanced level. Now I got these all things. So let me choose merchandise shop. Okay, and if you want to see like what's inside, just click on this. You will get to know the template that you are going to use right now. Okay, and it's looking very good. And right now I'm using this just for demo purpose. You can use as per your demand and as per your requirement. So I'm clicking on back button first, and I can also click on preview to check the complete preview in a new tab. Okay, which is a very good thing. See, this theme or the template of Elementor is looking awesome. So I'm going to click on all website kits. Then I will choose this one, start with this kit. Okay, and if you want, then you can create your own kit also. This is not required to choose the pre-designed kit. Okay, so you have Elementor, and with Elementor you can design each and everything that you know already. That Elementor is the world's best page builder, and by using that we can design anything that you want. And plus here you are getting Elementor Pro. It means you are having a lot of flexibility in design. You will get access to Elementor library, Elementor kits, Elementor Pro templates. So really man, plus Elementor Pro elements. So all in all, it's a very good thing, because if you go to buy Elementor Pro additionally, it will cost you around $50 for a year. But here you are getting that integrated, and you do not have to worry about Elementor Pro's subscription. You just have to pay for Elementor Cloud subscription, and that I'm liking the most. So you can see that our website is getting ready. Once everything is ready, we'll log into WordPress, and I will show you what more you can do with Elementor Cloud. We'll also test the website speed on GTmetrix and Google Page Speed to showcase you like how proficient this cloud-based hosting is. Okay, do not worry about that. So right now they are adding the website kit that we have chosen on the WordPress theme. That might be the Hello theme by default, which Elementor likes, and I too like. You can also choose any theme which you want to later on. Once the things are ready, you can choose any theme. You can also install any plugin. So all in all, see, the backend which we are getting is cloud backend powered by Google, along with Cloudflare, along with SSL, along with automated backup, plus Elementor Pro, which is the plus point for us. And they have mentioned that this step can take few minutes. So I think I'm waiting from last 2 minutes. Let's see how much time it takes, because first time it may take time, because it need to set up the server, it need to set up the WordPress installation, it need to set up the theme, plugin, and then website template. So all in all, it will take almost like 3, 4, 5 minutes maximum, not more than that. And while I'm waiting, I can show you my email, like what I have got after purchase, and that is Elementor subscription that is like billed yearly, and I have to pay them $99 per year. And this is for one website that we are going to use on Elementor Cloud, which is powered by Google Cloud Platform, and plus we are getting a lot of additional features which will really benefit our website ranking, and plus it will boost our website speed as well. That I will show you in few minutes. Okay, so site is ready. So if you ask me how much time it took to complete the process, it took me around 3.5 to 4 minutes. So now I'm clicking on let's go. Okay, and we are ready. Okay, Ravi, demo website is ready. Okay, got it. Now this is the first site that we have built on Elementor, and if you see, it says site lock is on, which means search engine can't be able to see this site right now. In WordPress we have a feature that we call discourage search engine to see our site, and this is what Elementor is doing right now. So this is a really important feature, because if your site is not built, you don't want to showcase to anyone. Okay, and that's why keeping search engine robots away from your site is very important, and that is really good feature. And if you want to change this, just click on change this setting, and you can change it from here. So you just need to click on reset to change it. Okay, but right now if you visit our site, you will see that they have mentioned that they might see a lock screen and they have to enter the password. So let me just open my website in a new tab to just see what is coming right now, and what happened to our template and website kit that we have chosen. So I'm just copying this. Okay, and then I am pasting it in a new tab to open it directly, and you can see that our website has opened, and it says that sorry, this website is hidden right now, and they're asking for a pin, and the pin is 1801 for my website. So I'm clicking on continue to see what's inside. It's a mystery box but right now it's hidden, and that is really good. So if you see that we have got each and everything as per the template, and we can customize it, even we can delete it, and we can customize it as per our need based on what type of website you want to create, whether it is news site, portfolio, online business site, blog site, and even e-commerce based website. So all types of site you can create. And let me see one thing before I do anything else. Let me check the website speed. So I'm just copying it. I'm going to GT matrix. Okay, and what I will do, I will just paste my link here and I will paste my website, and let's see the report here. Okay, I am thinking that we should get a very good report. And also let me check this on Google page speed, which is very important. Okay, so I'm opening it, and then I'm pasting the link again here, and I'm clicking on analyze. Okay, so you can see that on GT matrix it says that our full website got loaded in 1.4 seconds, which is really good because we have not optimized it. We have not used any caching plugin here till yet, and in that we are getting 98 and 98 in a structure and performance, which is really good, and the score is A. If we use WP Rocket or Lightspeed, we might get 100 in both these sections. Okay, so that is really amazing, and each and everything is like optimized. Now I'm going to check that on Google page speed. Okay, so on page speed our mobile score is 92, which is awesome, and our desktop speed is really 100, man, and that is unbelievable. Okay, now I'm going to showcase you different things which is important for website creation. So I'm closing this, you got this, we are getting a very good speed. Now let's come here and see what extra we have got. So let me zoom out a bit, and I can show you that this is our default domain, and if you want to use our custom domain, then just click on connect my domain. Okay, and you can buy your domain from anywhere like Google Domains or GoDaddy or Stinger or Bluehost, anywhere. Okay, even name.com, that I prefer too much for buying domains. This is what I was talking about earlier, like if you want to connect your own domain, that you can do easily. You just have to create a record to point to the IP. So just click on connect my domain, you will get the details, and then you have to create a CNAME record. So two records can be created. One is a record with this IP, and one is CNAME record with this value. So if you want to know how we can add a record and CNAME records, then that can be done easily. You can just connect to your domain registrar to do so, or you can do on your own if you want, if you know how this thing can be done. Okay, so in general, let me show you how this can be done. So let me put a record. So I'm copying the a record. Let's say I have a website called hosting club.in. I have already opened this here, and I am into DNS zone manager. So right now if you see that we have hosting club.in here, and all the DNS records are here, and we have to add a record. So this can be done in two ways. Either you have to add or you have to edit the previous one. So right now if you see that we have a record already, and the IP points to this IP. So what I can do, I can click on edit, I can paste my Elementor cloud IP here. Okay, and then I can click on save record. But right now I'm not going to do this because this is a live website and it can hamper my website. Okay, and plus server as well, because on the server this is the main domain. So I'm canceling it. Similarly, you can just click on add record, then type should be like CNAME, then enter your domain name here, and then record is, and the record section will be this one. Okay, just copy it and add it there. And once you're done with this, you should wait for 10 to 20 minutes to propagate DNS things. Okay, it might take longer as well, and then you will see that your main website will show the things that you have just did on Elementor temporary domain. Okay, which is good. Now I'm just clicking on cancel. Then we can see that we have DNS record. Our data center is Belgium. This is our DNS record that we have just seen already. Then site lock is enabled, which we have seen already that right now crawling is disabled for this site, and which is good. Once the crawling once you want Google to crawl this site and other search engine to crawl this site, you just have to reset this. Okay, and then under the hood we have got backups. So automated daily backup is there. You can easily export your backup, plus you can restore by just clicking on restore button, okay, or link, whatever you say. We can also delete it, if you don't want, and you can also create new backup by clicking on create new backup. Okay, and it's like name your backup. It's very simple thing. Like, let's say I'm creating backup for some reason, so I can name like why I'm doing that, or just simply put the date or something, so that you can easily identify why those backups are created. Okay, I'm just canceling it. It is not required. And in WordPress there is one important thing, and that is enable debugging. Sometimes we might face some problems, like this website is having some issues, some functions depreciated, some notice warning. Okay, in those cases, if you want to enable debugging to show your website what the error is, you can just enable it from here. Okay, and plus you can also reset WP login attempts, which is a very good feature. Okay, so now the question is how to log into our WordPress. We have seen each and everything, but the question is how to log into our WordPress. Okay, very important and very easy. Just click on open WP dashboard and you will be logged in automatically. Now, because Elementor has installed WordPress on this, you might not know what is your username, what is your password, but once you click on this, okay, you will logged in automatically. And then what you can do, you can just click on this profile section, go and click on edit profile, and from here what you can do, you can just see your username is this, and from the bottom you can change your password. And even if you're not liking this username which is auto generated, what you can do, you can go to user section. Okay, and you can create a new admin user from here, and you can use that username for yourself to log in. Okay, and even by logging to that user, you can delete the user that is generated by Elementor, which is very easy thing to do in WordPress. And I think you might know this. Just fill your username, email, first name, last name, your website, your password, and choose admin here. Once done, just log out and log in with the new credentials. Okay, so this is really good. And now I'm going to the first of all theme section, and you will see that hello theme is installed by default. Okay, hello Elementor, and we can just click on add new and we can install any theme like Astra, GeneratePress, Blockski, Cadence, anything that you like. Okay, so I'm going to install, let's say, Ocean WP. So I will click on just install, and it will install Ocean WP for me. And also make sure that you should choose a theme which is compatible with Elementor. Although each and every theme today is compatible with Elementor, there's no doubt about that. Yet it should be like you must check the demo of the theme and all to make sure that you like the theme, and then you can use that. Okay, so right now the Ocean WP is getting installed. Once it is installed, I will showcase you like have we got Elementor Pro by default or not. So I'm going to click on activate it. Once activated, I will not do anything. The customization part can be handled by you, and if you like have any problem in that, you can just WhatsApp me, you can just message me, you can just email me. My all connection details are there in the description. Okay, so just follow them, and even you can also comment on the video. Okay, so now I'm going to the plugin section, and you can see that Elementor Pro is already installed and it is not asking for activation. So first of all, let me click on update now, just to see if by default Elementor Pro is getting updated and it is not saying like user is unauthorized or something like that. Okay, so I'm just verifying the authenticity of this license. So I think it will work without any doubt, but still checking is important. So you can see that Elementor Pro is properly updated now. So once the plugin is updated, now I'm going to click on templates and I will click on kit library. Okay, just to check each and every premium function of Elementor is working expected. and let's say I will apply any other kit from here. Earlier we have used this one. Okay, now I'm going to use this one, and I will click on apply kit, apply all, and it is now setting up and all done. Next. So the Elementor will now import the content, import the template, import the design, settings and all, and it will implement that on our website, because this is what we wanted, right? This is what we call applying kit on our WordPress website. If you don't want to apply kit, you can use Elementor to build any kind of website using their templates and elements, and also you can use any theme to import their demo, and then you can customize further using Elementor, okay, to enhance the features and to to get a proper look the way you wanted it. Okay, so while the kit is setting up, let me go back to Elementor Cloud section or Elementor My Account section, and we can click on view subscription to see what we have bought until when it is valid, okay, and other details. Okay, and earlier I was talking about that you should not worry about your traffic spikes and all. The reason behind that is you can see easily here they are providing you 1000 gigabytes of bandwidth, which is huge, plus you can easily manage 100k monthly visitors, which is really an amazing thing. Okay, 100k visitor is not something that each and everyone will get it. Okay, so you should not worry about the traffic, plus you are getting 20 GB storage, which is good for any kind of website. So now I think you got the clear idea, like if you have to start a website using Elementor Cloud services, then how you can do that. And I am really loving this feature, and I will definitely going to use Elementor Cloud website service for my further projects and for my client websites, and I know that they will love it, and you should also start using it. And in any case, like if you need any support, you can always contact Elementor support for that. And if you need any extra subscription, just go to website section, click on create a new cloud website, and then go with the new subscription. The process is same, like purchase, setup, and do your things. Okay, so I hope you will start using Elementor Cloud website services, because you are getting a lot of benefits. And once again, let me count to the benefits. You are getting cloud hosting powered by Google Cloud Platform. You will be getting 1000 gigabytes of bandwidth, 20 GB space, plus 1000k visitors. Okay, can easily be come to your site on a monthly basis, and that is really a lot, huge amount of visitors. Okay, plus you will get Cloudflare CDN, you will get free SSL, you will get automatic backups, you can connect your custom domain, and as well as you will get Elementor Pro for free without any extra subscription. So all in all, it is really an amazing deal to go with, and that too in just $99. If it belongs to India, then it will cost you 7,000 a year, and you can handle enormous things in one go. Thank you very much for being with me. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy your day, enjoy your night. Bye bye. Thank you very much.